This quick and easy 3-ingredient creamy chocolate ice cream is a winner. Hi, and you're watching Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share, and comment. And if you enjoy trying out recipes that turn out right every time, you're at the right place. So go ahead, press that subscribe button. And while you're at it, if you hit the bell icon, you'll be the first to get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. To make our chocolate ice cream, we're going to be going in with 1 3/4 cup, which is approximately 225 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And to that, we're going to add 1 can, which is approximately 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. And now we're going to pop this into the microwave and heat it in 30-second increments till the chocolate is just melted. I put this in the microwave for a total of 1 minute. Let's give it a stir and see if we need to pop it back in once again. 1 minute seems just the right time. The chocolate has melted and it's mixing well with the condensed milk. Wow, look how smooth and luscious that looks. Now let's leave this aside to cool down while we whip up our heavy cream. To the bowl of our stand mixer, we're going to add 2.5 cups of heavy cream. And now we're going to whip up the heavy cream till we get soft beads. If you want that perfect ice cream texture, you got to stop whipping it at this stage. And now we're going to add the mixture of the chocolate chips and the condensed milk to the cream, and we're going to whip it up. And that's about it. All you have to do now is pour it into your container and put it in the freezer. Now we're going to cover this with a plastic wrap, and what you're going to do here is touch the plastic wrap to the surface of the ice cream. This will prevent any ice crystals forming in the ice cream. Now let's pop this into the freezer for about 7 to 8 hours or overnight for best results. Our chocolate ice cream has set, and now it's time for us to scoop it and enjoy it. Oh my goodness! Look at that! And now it's time to dig in and give our chocolate ice cream a taste. Wow, I'm really excited because I love chocolate ice cream. And there's nothing better than homemade chocolate ice cream. Wow, this ice cream, it's so smooth, it just melts in your mouth. I'm telling you, this is the best chocolate ice cream that I have tasted. So if you want to taste it too, hop onto my website, platingitwithwendy.com, where you will find the full written recipe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.